Hello everyone. Here we are going to start with examination style exercise 2 based on your algebra 1. Now let us discuss first question. 5 divided by 7 plus 11 divided by 14 is equal to x by 2. Now this part, as your denominator is different, the first thing you can do is make your denominator same. So this 5 divided by 7 I will write as 10 divided by 14 plus 11 divided by 14 is equals to x divided by 2. Now this is without using calculator, so you must understand how we solve these kind of problems. Now 10 plus 11, as denominator is same, you can simply do calculation in your numerator part, like 10 plus 11, and this denominator I will write as 14. This is equals to x divided by 2. Now what we can do? We can multiply both the sides by 2. So here left hand side is 10 plus 11, which is 21 divided by 14 is equals to, here it is x divided by 2. So what we will do? We will multiply both the sides by 2. This 2 and 2 will cancel, and here this 2 and 14 will cancel. So we have 21 divided by 7, which is 7 times 3. So 3 is equals to x. So this is your result. X is equals to 3. Now let us see one more question. So here the question is 7 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by y is equals to 35 divided by 16. Now I recommend, or I encourage you to pause the video, try this problem yourself. Okay, so 7 divided by 4. Now here it is divided by 4 by y. So this division, if I convert in multiplication, then this 4 divided by y, I have to take its reciprocal as y divided by 4. Okay, this is very basic concept, that division by any number is nothing but multiplication by its reciprocal. Okay, this is equals to 35 divided by 16. Now I want to find the value of y. So what we will do, on both the sides we will multiply by 4 and divide by not 4, we will multiply by 16 and divide by 7. So on the left hand side it is 16 divided by 7 times, now this is 7y divided by 16. You can tell me why I am doing this. I am doing this because the coefficient of y on the left hand side is 16 divided by 7. So 16 divided by 7 multiplied by 35 divided by 16 on right hand side also. So on the left hand side and on the right hand side we have multiplied by 16 divided by 7. Now if you see your left hand side, this 16 and this 16 will cancel, and this 7 and this 7 will cancel. So you have y on the left side, and on the right side this 16 will cancel, and 7 times 5 is 35. So you will say that your y is equals to 5. Okay, now let us do one question which is based on simultaneous linear equation. Okay, so in this question we can use substitution method or elimination method. Now as here the coefficient of y is 1, substitution method is also very easy. So what we do, we will write y in terms of x, so which is y is equals to 17 minus 4x. Now I will substitute the value of y in the second equation. So your second equation is your 3x minus 2y. So in place of y, what we do, we will replace this 17 minus 4x, and this whole is equals to 10. So this y, which is 17 minus 4x, we have replaced here. Now we will open the bracket. So your left hand side is 3x minus 2 times 17 is 34, minus minus plus 2 times 4 is 8, so it is 8x is equals to 10. This 3x and this 8x, they will add and give you 11x is equals to 10. Now this minus 34, it will move on the right, it is plus 34. So we have 11x is equals to 44, and therefore x is equals to 44 divided by 11. So 11 4s are 44. X is equals to 4. Okay. Now once I know the value of x, I will find out value of y. Y is 17 minus 4x. So 17 minus 4 times 4. So 17 minus 16 is equals to 1. So here your value of x is 4, value of y is 1. You can check your answer by substituting these values in these two equations. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is again based on linear equation in one variable. So here again you have to find out the value of x. Okay, so here 2x divided by 3 minus 12 is 0. What you can do, you can add 12 on both the sides. So first step is we are going to add 12 on both the sides. Now our aim is to just get x on the left hand side, and rest all things we want to eliminate. So first 12 we can eliminate by adding on both the sides. Then what we can do, on the left hand side, if I multiply by 3 by 2, so as you can see the coefficient of x is 2 by 3. Better I multiply both the sides by 3 by 2. So you multiply left side and right side by 3 divided by 2. So on the left hand side, if you see, this 3 and 3 will cancel, this 2 and 2 will cancel. So you have only x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, this 3 divided by 2 into 12. So this 2 and 12 will cancel, and you will get 3 times 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. So your value of x is 18. Okay. Next question. Next question is b divided by x plus 8 divided by 3 is equals to 8x minus 1 divided by 11. Now first thing what we do, okay, when on both the sides you have different denominators, then you can do one thing, x plus 8. Now as I am saying that we can multiply same number on both the sides. So if I am multiplying both the sides by the LCM of denominator, now LCM of denominator here is 33. So you can multiply 33 on both the sides. So your x plus 8 divided by 3, it is multiplied by 33. And on the right hand side, it is 8x minus 1 divided by 11. It is multiplied by 33. So after multiplication by 33, you will see that x plus 8 is now multiplied by 11. And on the right hand side, 8x minus 1 is multiplied by 3. Okay, so 11 times 3 is 33 and 3 times 11 is 33. So this is your basic concept, but this you can also understand as this 11 I'm moving from right to left, so it goes in multiplication here, and this 3 I'm moving from left to right, which is in denominator, so it will go in numerator as a multiplication. So x plus 8 is multiplied by 11 is equals to 8x minus 1 multiplied by 3. So you can remember this as a concept. Now the concept you can consider is that if a divided by b is equals to c divided by d, having different denominators, so you can say that AD is equals to BC. So this AD is equals to BC, if you see, it is coming from the basic idea that multiply both the sides by LCM of denominator. Okay, so if you are doing it directly, then it saves your some time. Now you use the distribution property, open the bracket. So here x plus 8 multiplied by 11 will give you 11x plus 11 times 8 is 88. On the right hand side, 8x multiplied by 3 is 24x minus 3. Now I have to collect all x on one side. So if I subtract 11x from both the sides, my left hand side will be 88. My right hand side will be 24x minus 11x and this minus 3. So better I add 3 on both the sides. So here it is 88 plus 3 and this minus 3 plus 3 will cancel. Okay, so now I'm not writing those things in my step. Now 88 plus 3 will give you 91. So 91 is equals to here 24x minus 11x. So 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So here it is 13x. Now I will divide both the sides by 13. So 91 divided by 13 is 7. 7 is equals to x. Okay, please keep in mind that all these things are without using calculator. So this basic calculation you must know. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Now let us move to question number 4. Now question number 4 is again solving a simultaneous equation, but this time here the coefficient of x is in decimal form. So not a problem. Here I will use the elimination method because here none of the variable has coefficient 1. So substitution become little difficult. So what we do, we have to make the coefficient of either x or y same. So if you see, if I multiply this equation by 2, my coefficient of x will become same. So better I multiply this first equation by 2. So I have 0.6x plus 4y is equals to 34. Now we can subtract. Okay, we can subtract. So 0.6x minus 0.6x, here I will get 0. Then 3y minus 4y will give me minus y, and then 27 minus 34, so it will give me minus 7. Okay, so minus y is equals to minus 7, so that gives you y is equals to 7. So your value for y is 7. Now you have to find out x. So you can substitute this value of y in any of the equation. Let us substitute in the first equation. So 0.3x plus 2 times 7 will be equal to 17. So therefore 0.3 times x will be equal to 17 minus 7 times 2 is 14, which gives me 3. Okay, so therefore x is equals to 3 divided by 0.3. 3 divided by 0.3 is 10. Okay, you can multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So if you multiply and divide by 10, your numerator is 30, denominator is 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So finally, you say that your x is equals to 10, your y is equals to 7. And you can check whether these answers are correct or not by substituting this x and y value in your original equations. Now question number 5. So first A part of the question number 5 is you have to simplify an expression which is x minus 3 square into 3x plus 1. So x minus 3 the whole square times 3x plus 1. Okay, so x minus 3 the whole square is your x minus 3 times your x minus 3, and then this is multiplied by 3x plus 1. So let us first solve this part. Okay, so here x will multiply by x minus 3, and then minus 3 will multiply by x minus 3, and this whole is multiplied by 3x plus 1. So this first bracket here we will use distribution property. X multiplied by x is x square minus 3x plus 9 and this is multiplied by 3x plus 1. So here it is x square minus 6x plus 9 times 3x plus 1. So this x square I will multiply by 3x plus 1. Then this minus 6x will multiply by 3x plus 1. And then plus 9 will multiply by 3x plus 1. So this part is 3x cube plus x square minus 18x square minus 6x plus 27x plus 9. This is equals to, now x cube, I have only one term, 3x cube. X square is x square minus 18x square is minus 17x square. Minus 6x plus 27x is plus 21x and plus 9. So this is your final expansion. Again, one more question related with simplification. So here you have to now this time simplify this x minus 3 the whole square into 3x plus 1 minus x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, this time what I will do, x minus 3 the whole square times 3x plus 1 minus x plus 2 the whole square. Now I will directly write the expression for x minus 3 the whole square, which is x square minus 6x plus 9. So a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2 times ab plus b square, and this is multiplied by 3x plus 1 minus, I will expand here, it will be x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, then this x square, when it is multiplied by 3x plus 1, it will give me 3x cube plus x square. Then minus 6x, when it is multiplied by 3x plus 1, it will give me 6 times 3 is 18x square, and minus 6 times 1 is minus 6x, and finally 9 when it is multiplied by 3x is 27x, and when 9 is multiplied by 1 it is 9. Minus, now I open the bracket over here, so it is minus x square minus 4x minus 4. So here I have only one x cube term, so I will write 3x cube. X square, if I see, then I have this term x square plus and this term x square minus, so they cancel. So I will write minus 18x square, which is remaining. Then in case of x, here it is minus 6x minus 4x, that is minus 10x plus this is 27x. So minus 10 plus 27 is plus 17. So plus 17x, and finally this plus 9 minus 4. So plus 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is your answer. Now this is a full simplification of x minus 3 the whole square times 3x plus 1 minus x plus 2 the whole square. I hope you understand each and every step. Okay, so these are the questions in your textbook for examination style questions. So let us stop here. Maybe in the next class we will discuss one worksheet which is based on your problems from the past papers. Or else what we do, we will solve algebra 2 and algebra 3 first, and then we will see all the questions from algebra at the end. Thank you very much.